The Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe, reimagined by Singer, is not just a car, it is an experience, a story of craftsmanship, engineering, and passion brought to life by Singer Vehicle Design in California. This latest creation revives the spirit of the wide-bodied 1980s 911 Carrera with super sport equipment, blending classic heritage with modern performance in a way that only Singer can. Each project begins when an owner sends in their Porsche 911 from the 964 generation. These cars, often with decades of road experience, are stripped down to their steel bones. Every part is carefully removed, inspected, and either restored or replaced. The chassis is then strengthened with help from Red Bull Advanced Technologies, boosting rigidity while preserving the soul of the original car. At the heart of this reimagined machine is a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine developed in collaboration with Cosworth. It features water-cooled cylinder heads, variable valve timing, and revs beyond 8,000 RPM. The result is 420 horsepower delivered through a 6-speed manual gearbox, sending power to the rear wheels with precision and punch. A newly developed titanium exhaust sings that unmistakable Porsche sound, refined and raw at once. This car is more than performance stats, though. It is a love letter to analog driving. An exposed gear shifter can be optioned, adding mechanical drama to each shift. The chassis is complemented by an advanced suspension system with adjustable dampers and a nose lift function. Huge carbon ceramic brakes hide behind 18-inch center-lock wheels, wrapped in modern Michelin tires, ensuring this old-school silhouette performs like a modern sports car. Visually, Singer retains the charm of the 1980s 911G model while refining it with carbon fiber. This helps reduce weight and sharpen the car's responsiveness. Wide body panels, functional scoops, and options for either a fixed or active rear wing give each restoration a tailored aesthetic. Even the headlights can hide pop-up rally-inspired auxiliary lamps for owners chasing retro style and modern flair. Inside, it is all about the driver. The layout pays tribute to Porsche's iconic gauge cluster, now reimagined with fine craftsmanship and attention to detail. Materials are top shelf, from burnished leather seams to corduroy seat inserts. Owners can specify everything, including color, stitching, seat style, and technology. Navigation and smartphone connectivity are included, but only if you want them. Singer's commitment to engineering does not stop at the workshop. Each restored 911 undergoes extensive testing at world-famous facilities like Millbrook in the United Kingdom, Ideata in Spain, Nardo in Italy, and the Nürburgring in Germany. These tests ensure every car lives up to Singer's exacting standards. Owners can customize every detail, right down to switching between touring and track-ready bodywork using custom-made flight cases. Two example builds shown by Singer include one in Celeste Pasalacqua with a speed-activated wing and another in Giallo Segnale with a fixed wing and high-performance lights. Both feature rear-wheel drive, carbon ceramic brakes, and lightweight construction. Only 100 of these reimagined Porsche 911 Carrera Coupes will be created, each reflecting the unique vision of its owner. The price? As unique as each commission. Singer works closely with each client to ensure the result is nothing short of extraordinary. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you are passionate about high-performance machines like this masterpiece from Singer. It is more than a car, it is art you can drive.